Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to Me Time. These are meditations that are created for you to have some personal time in your day, a chance to clean out a little bit of what's not you, to restore yourself to well-being. So enjoy this meditation. Today is about trying on a new vibration. So I'd like you to pay attention to what is happening within your body, what's happening within your emotions as you try on this word, this vibration, and own it for yourself. So before we begin, would you just kind of notice your body where you're sitting right now? Shake your fingers, shake your toes, and give yourself permission to have the next moments for you. And would you find your breath, that circular breath where we breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth? Would you simply allow yourself to unplug right now and focus on your breath, taking this time for you? These moments in your day where you count, where you allow yourself to be center stage. And follow 3 more of those breaths around, where the inhale flows directly into the exhale, that flows to the inhale. Allowing your eyelids to close, following another 3 breaths, allowing yourself to unplug, giving yourself permission to have this time for yourself, me time. And tell yourself, I'm gifting this to me. Would you say hello to your grounding cord, that straight line and coil that attaches to your first chakra? Would you just say hello to your grounding cord and give it the command to expand? The grounding cord is that tool that siphons off the thoughts and the emotions that are not yours. So we want to make sure that this tool is wide, particularly before we start owning this new vibration that's going to be coming in here in a few moments. And now would you, very consciously, would you say hello to each of the roses that sit at the points that identify your aura, that identify that space that we've created that says, this is mine to own? Would you say hello to the rose that is directly out in front of you? Say hello to the rose on your left, and a hello to the rose on your right. Hello to the rose behind you. Hello to the rose above your head. Hello to the rose below your feet. Again, would you acknowledge your body, this physical vehicle that allows you to be a spiritual being in a human body? Would you just thank it right now? Thank you, body. You are amazing. You've got me right here to this point in my life, in our journey. So thank you. I just wanted to mention the word neutral, as if you were sitting in your car and you take the gear shift out of play and you put it into neutral. That place, if you were to put your foot on the accelerator, you might hear the engine rev, but the vehicle is not going anywhere. It's in neutral. So would you try on that vibration of, I am neutral. Right now, I have no place to go. I'm not moving forward or back or side to side or diagonal. I'm just in neutral. And from this place of neutral, would you consider the vibration of being capable? I am capable. Now, what does that feel like as you sound it out, declaring out loud, I am capable? I am capable. Just try it out in your space. Say it 2, 3, 5 times to yourself out loud. And take a breath. What do you notice in your body? Where's the tightness that gets in the way of this declaration? I am capable. Would you just notice that static, that clog, that distortion? Would you create a rose and give the command to the rose to collect up all the places where you're not allowed to be capable within your aura? Let the rose do the work, just collecting up all the hidden places of non-permission, that non-allowing of self to be capable. And take your time. There's no rush here. We're simply allowing a tool called a rose to collect up an energy that does not serve us. It gets in the way of us owning our truth of I am capable. And now would you explode that rose? Again, when we explode a rose, we're allowing it to come down to its smallest form, called an atom antene particle. And all of those little particles are now going down the grounding cord, down to the center of Gaia. And would you take a breath? Would you consider this vibration of capable? I am capable. Would you consider trying on I am capable like you would try on a sweater? I am capable. And notice, how does your body shift as you own I am capable? I am capable of putting my socks on in the morning or afternoon. I am capable of brushing my teeth. I am capable of answering a phone. Easy. These parts are easy to see, easy to say. Yes, I'm capable of doing that. There's no trigger here. I am capable of taking the trash out. I am capable of taking on the next task that's been given to me. I am capable of organizing a spreadsheet. And just notice if what I'm putting on the table has a trigger for you. And if there's a trigger to whatever is declared with I am capable of, it is a wonderful opportunity to create a rose. Give the rose the command to collect up what got in the way of being capable. And then explode the rose. And then take a breath and redeclare, I am capable. How does that feel in the body? What is that sensation within your being that says, I am capable? Just notice if it has a color or a texture. It might be fluffy or smooth or rough like a burlap sack. What does it feel like to you, that vibration of I am capable? I am capable. And would you consider owning this vibration, I am capable, as a new foundation, a new default way of operating your beingness? I am capable. I am capable. I am capable. I am capable. And breathe as you declare out loud for yourself your capableness. You might want to put a little dance to it, a little song to it. And my challenge for you is to, if you have a color that goes with your statement of I am capable, that you notice how many times during your day that color shows up so that you can anchor in this vibration of I am capable. And then tomorrow morning, as you get ready for your day, I encourage you to get dressed and anchor in a particular item of clothing that anchors in I am capable. It might be a tie or earrings or undergarments, sweater, doesn't matter. Choose something that you are going to wear that anchors in this vibration, I am capable, so that as you're moving through your day, you can anchor in and continue to anchor in this vibration, I am capable. I am capable. I am capable. Have a great day as you own and wear and dance within your capableness.